I'm going to continue to decorate this card with the different things that we have here, the stickers. And then I'll add some pen writing and words to finish our card. I have a nice gold marker. We'll make this a happy birthday. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the stickers to really decorate the card nicely. The sticker collections nowadays are so fancy. You don't have to have really any artistic ability except to know what you like. And you can see you put together a very fancy card, and you can personalize it any way you like. I'll add a few more things here. Never be afraid to cut up the stickers and make them do what you want them to do. It's nice to secure the pop-up cards with a little bit of double stick tape or a dab of glue just on the corners here, just to hold that together. And just stick that down on the corners. And there's our super easy pop-up card. You have a nice pop-up like that, and it can be personalized. I have a message here, a special birthday spell for you.